It says about the author.
Blythe Collins lives in Huntington.
Idea. Let me grab a quick picture.
Quick picture.
Real smile. Come on, real smile.
That's a good one. Good.
You live in Huntington Woods?
Yeah. She was born in 2008. She goes to Burton Elementary. What does that say?
Elementary school.
She likes to play with her dog. Her dog is named Daisy.
Yeah, beautiful.
I went to the cottage. I did I had fun. Yeah, it's from a long time ago.
Well, that's a beautiful picture. Look at Daisy. Look how happy she is, huh? Okay, that's beautiful. Okay.
Yeah, but she's actually supposed to have a nose thing right there.
Oh, she's all right. So this is a letter. Oh, it's dear. It's a dear mommy letter.
Yeah, dear mommy, can I have another dog when I am 8 years old? And so Daisy can have a playmate. But there's gonna be a lot of ants.
Okay.
And I will feed his and this was from a few days ago.
What are you gonna name it? It says, and can I name it?
Zing.
Zing Zing?
Yeah, and Daisy will
like her name. That's silly.
love Blythe. What's this supposed to be for?
Oh, that's where you sign your name. Your signature.
Nah, I just did it right there.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Is that a writing?
Yeah, it's writing. It's just that some of this was made out of, some shit.
Oh, is there a dog on there too?
Yeah, doggy.
Is that Daisy?
It's bigger than that. Look, it's the same.
Is that Daisy?
Once upon a time, there were 3 people, and they loved it. But one day, it stormed, and they left. And the next day, it wasn't. And they lived happily ever after that.
The end? Okay. Put that up to the side.
No.
Let's do the next one.
My mom yelled. Flood story.
It's about the flood. Why don't you hold it up? Let's see. Hold it up.
My mom yelled.
Let's see it so I can see it. Is that mommy screaming?
Yeah.
Jumping up and down? What's... Oh, is this a story?
My dad called Grandpa. What are you talking about? What were you about to say?
Nothing. Go ahead, tell me.
I went in my bedroom. I went into the car. I slept in my bedroom.
Okay. What's this, an investigation? How to do something? Is that what that is?
Let's skip that. It's just a science writing thing.
Uh-huh.
Let's just skip it.
You just want to skip it?
Yeah, because it doesn't really make sense.
Oh, okay. My book about feelings. Oh, you feel angry.
When I just
When do you feel angry? What's that say?
I don't know.
It says,
What did I write?
I can't, well, you have to tell me. You drew a picture, didn't you?
It's just thunder.
Oh, when it's thundering out?
Yeah.
Okay.
But some of them don't, some of this in there don't have any pages. They're just
Okay.
and don't do that.
Oh, I feel bad when I don't do something right. Oh, you shouldn't feel bad for trying, you know that? You should feel good for trying, even if you don't do it right. You feel good when you do something right. Is that a picture of you doing something right? Oh, you feel happy.
I feel happy when my mom cuts me.
That says when mommy gives you a big hug.
Yeah. My mom and dad are
with you.
I can't go.
I feel sad when I can't go somewhere. Oh, where would you want to go?
And these two are the blank pages. Look.
Where would you want to go when you feel sad?
I don't know.
Okay.
I got cluck milk and I like it in the part when the chicken is in the shower. Like chicken shower. That's the shower part. Chicken shower. Chicken shower.
That's a chicken taking a shower? Okay.
Well, they're all dressed up.
Okay.
So that's why he has double eyes. There's another one of these. Which one do you want me to read?
Which one do you want to read? Go ahead.
I'll read this one because it's much better than that one.
Okay.
That one's older.
It has a date on it. That's from, what's the date, do you know?
11-12-14.
That's November 12th.
Yeah.
So that's a long time ago, isn't it?
Yeah. I
was what? Elsa? For Halloween? Okay. Frank, does that say Frankenstein?
Yeah. I did the Frankenstein act.
Okay.
Then, wait, so done right there. I
Relax
made a skeleton.
You made a skeleton also? Okay.
I did something for kids. The hospital.
Oh, you did stuff for the kids in the hospital. That's right.
Yeah. And how to feed the next one's a chapter book. And that's
chapter book. Wow.
And I believe that's the last one.
Okay.
How to feed a dog by Blythe. Look, by Blythe.
Let's see.
By Blythe.
Okay. Okay. What you missed the first page.
Oh, man. I do not like the first page.
Oh, you wanted to skip it?
Yeah.
What's the first page? Is it the title page?
Her dog did food a dog. I can't even read this first page. It's all smudged up.
Okay.
Bowl, food, water.
Okay.
First get bowls. Second get some water. Third get some food.
Well, you missed the last page. What about the last page?
Oh yeah.
Don't you have to
read this one.
do you have to put the food into the dish?
And then now you can go and eat a dog.
Wow, that's wonderful. Let me see that for a sec, okay?
Okay. Now this one for chocolate books, so we got to.
Oh, look how happy Daisy is that you're feeding her.
Here's the Daisy bucket.
It's a book about Daisy? Oh, let me see.
Daisy
Hold it up.
bucket.
Hold it up. Hold it up next to you so I can take a picture. Okay. Okay. It's a book about Daisy. Daisy, written and illustrated by Blythe Collins. Okay. Daisy's going to be so happy you did books about her.
What, page 1, where we got her. Page 2, what she looks like. Page 4, how to take care of her. Page 5, crazy Daisy.
Crazy Daisy.
Six.
For dog toys.
For dog toys. Cup for 7. A walk. And chapter 8. What Daisy likes.
Ah.
Okay,
Wow, this is a big one, huh?
My dad got her from a pet shop. At the pet shop, Daisy and took her back home. She sang on over the place.
When you're reading, you can stand still and take some deep breaths, okay? So you don't squirm around, okay?
I got a bar. She jumped up to get it, but she did not get it. She walked around the house.
Okay.
That's why
It's a diagram of Daisy. We got her head, her tail, her eyes.
I got her bum bum.
Her bum bum, and her
No,
ears.
It's really back.
Okay.
It's just, it looks like it's the
Oh,
bum
back.
bum.
Okay, it's a rack. Okay.
Okay.
Like, I'm giving you back the chair that's like bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chapter 2. Daisy is a American Eskimo. She is white and her nose is black too. And she is toys.
Toys.
And she is toys. Chapter 3. How to take care of her. Daisy needs dog food and water, and she needs rest with me, my dad, my mom, and she needs to play every day with.
Boys and girls, if you have not finished, you need to wrap up whatever piece you are in, or you
Okay. Okay. Well, why don't you show me the other pages, okay? Is there another page you want to show me?
Let me show you all the pages.
Okay.
Okay, last page, glossary.
That was it? Okay. Okay, good job. Daddy's very proud of you.